Orthopaedic conditions are painful, debilitating and hugely affect the quality of life. This is why we need to join together and find out the root causes of these conditions and ultimately try to eliminate bone and joint disease.
It's pretty much the only charity now funding research purely in orthopaedics.
It is very important for us to create such an environment because we are a firm believer in collaboration and partnership. Having everybody under one roof, it presents a wonderful opportunity to accelerate discoveries as well as avoid duplication of efforts more effectively and quickly. We also run specialty events aimed at senior clinicians and scientists. What we try to do is to find out what the hot topic is in orthopedics and therefore design a course around the subject.
Well, Orthopaedic Research UK is a great partner for these events because it brings clinicians together and facilitates these courses by providing venues, by providing good facilities that allows us to create lectures and vivas and teaching for the clinicians of tomorrow.
Our events are attended by engineers, trainee doctors, other charities, representatives from industry and any other people or organisations who are interested in orthopaedic science.
I think events like this are important for the orthopaedic sector, like in most sectors, to bring people together, allow for exchanges of ideas, information, bring together thought leaders and drive innovation, exchanges and business forward in all sectors.
ORUK is an incredibly important charity within the orthopaedic sector because of mainly the funding environment in the UK at the moment. Certain fields are starved of research funding and certain fields don't have a funder like ORUK that's able to keep researchers who have an interest in orthopaedics within the orthopaedics field.
These events are important so that everybody's on the same page because ultimately industry are there to support clinicians and to support patients, and if we're not understanding fully what's happening then we won't be producing the right products to meet the needs in the market.
I've been able to meet with some of the most knowledgeable and experienced surgeons in the United Kingdom, which is something that obviously one doesn't get the access to on a daily basis. I gained so much more than just reading a textbook or a journal article. Basically priceless, invaluable information.
These courses are vital. We, in day-to-day practice, are covering a lot of the clinical aspects of our work, but often there's not the time or the scope to go into the basics of the kind of science behind everything. So having a course like this where you've got specialists in each field telling you about their field and what we know to know for the exam is very important.
ORUK has been very important to my research and research within our team at Stanmore. We have been fortunate enough to have a number of grants from the ORUK, and it's allowed us to employ PhD students and postdoctoral workers, and it's had a huge influence. We've got a lot of work done and a lot of very good work, and it's resulted in conference presentations, publications, awards in some cases, so it's been very helpful.
Orthopaedic Research UK are really important because they are really driving forward the research in our specialty. They're one of the few people that are, so they're critical to our work.